Henan Ruike is a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to resource recycling. Our mission is simple yet powerful: to transform waste into valuable new resources. We specialize in the research, development, and production of advanced environmental protection equipment, focusing on 4 key areas: crude oil processing, waste engine oil recycling, waste tire recycling, waste plastic and oil sludge treatment. We provide complete, one-stop recycling solutions for clients around the world, from technical design to equipment delivery and implementation. At Henan Ruike, innovation lies at the heart of everything we do. We follow an industry-academia research collaboration model, working closely with the leading design institutes while advancing independent R&D. This approach has enabled us to design and manufacture 2 core systems: fully automatic continuous pyrolysis equipment, waste oil recycling and refining equipment. Our continuous pyrolysis systems use an oxygen-free process to treat waste rubber, tires, plastics, and oil sludge. These materials are efficiently converted into high-value products such as fuel oil, carbon black, and steel wire. The process not only reduces waste volume and pollution, but also generates strong economic returns, achieving a balance between environmental protection and profitability. Henan Ruike's waste oil recycling equipment converts waste or crude oil into clean gasoline and diesel through precise distillation. It accommodates a wide range of feedstocks, including waste engine oil and mineral oil, with stable performance and product quality meeting international standards. Our systems provide reliable technical support for global waste oil resource utilization. We make significant annual investments in R&D and have earned recognition as a national high-tech enterprise and specialized, refined, and innovative SME of Henan Province. To ensure quality and compliance, our company is certified with. These certifications reflect our commitment to producing safe, standardized, and reliable equipment for global clients. From R&D and design to precision manufacturing, strict pre-shipment testing, and responsive after-sales service, we uphold the highest standards at every stage. Our guiding principle remains clear: every set of equipment leaving our factory is a premium product. Through years of focused development, Henan Ruike has become a leading force in China's environmental protection equipment industry. With a complete industrial chain, ongoing innovation, professional service, and smart digital upgrades, we have built long-term partnerships with clients across multi-countries and regions. We continue to help our partners turn waste into value, driving the sustainable growth of the global resource recycling industry.